So welcome back to my channels. In this tutorials, I'm going to explain how to use STL programming language and how to call functions block in main function blocks. So let's start the video. First of all, I added one FC function FC blocks and just wait. This is our FC blocks, motor blocks, and the name is motor blocks. Same to same, there is motor blocks and here we assigned like some inputs and output variables like some two input 0 and input 0 2 this is a two input signals and two output functions like run stops, and this is our internals like temporary function like motor on feedbacks, and this is our STL's programming language. STL's conditions like when motor will be run and when motor is stops. So let's check like motor on feedbacks and motor on feedbacks. When motor on feedbacks which enables motor runs like this motor run signals output is enables, otherwise motor run is off and output is stops, stop output is on. So this is our the condition like when input signals 1, input 0 1 is true and not input 02 and means input 02 is false, then motor on feedback will be true, and when motor on feedback will be true, then outruns will be true, otherwise over outrun will be false. And this is our last like outruns means when outruns false or motor run feedback, and when in between motor and any one signals is false, motor stop will be false. This is our the functions blocks like when now let's checking based on the logic like when input is on, input 01 will be true, then outrun starts, so signals and click modify 1 like outruns on, yani motor on feedback on, motor on like this, and when not input 02 is true like now you can see input 02 is off, and when it will on the signals, I'm going to enable this signal also like this, when input 02 is true, when outrun motor run signals will be stopped, and when the signal is false the motor will be remain start, and when both signals 0 motor output signal stops. Thank you guys.